So welcome to Kema Adventures. Remember to subscribe to our channel. So today I'm in a different place, but not new to you. And yesterday I talked about your mind. Yes, so today you're saying those who cannot change their mind cannot change anything. Yes, so today we'll be enjoying the nature. So I will turn the camera around and show you how the nature is around here. That day where you have to meditate. Just meditating, thinking. Everything is all about your mind. And here it is. So I repeat, yesterday we were talking about the mindset. Today those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. So is where we are, just enjoying the nature. It's a place where you can get all types of what can you say? Can listen to the birds. Don't know if I can sit here. Don't know if it is safe. Yeah, I want to sit here, but feel like it is not safe. It might not be safe. And this place is a bit bushy. So this just listening to the birds, you can hear. Let me take you near that. We call it Lakwat. So I said it is afternoon and they are all fully ripe. You can see this is the city and you have a Lakwat. You can see they are fully ripe. Some fruits. And now the birds are enjoying. So we are just enjoying the nature. Looking for somewhere to sit, but now I'm seeing it's not possible to get a place to sit. You can see the trees. Yes. And see the trees. So that is what is happening around here. This is where I come from. So just want to listen to the nature. So assist a lot in the thinking about life. So the thumbnail, you can go back to the thumbnail. The thumbnail is when I used to be a teller, a bank teller. It was a microfinance. Yes. So since then, that was in 2014, 2013. Since then, a lot has happened. There's been a lot of ups and downs, which you can tell it will be like a full book. You can write a full set of a book. It's a story. You can tell it can become a full story. So there's been a lot of mountains to climb. It's all about life. So since then, I just thought of how can I have this to be the thumbnail and talk about it. So check on our thumbnail. That was in 2014. I was a bank teller. And now it's all about what I'm doing now. It's not far from what I'm doing now. It relates a lot. But now find what I was doing is not different. It's the only that I'm doing a different part, but just in the same line of what I started for. So being a bank teller has its own ups and downs. Cannot say it's a easy job. No job is easy, but there it is full of its own challenges. And now I'm in the city. That was when I was in Mombasa. I was in Mombasa. Those years I was in Mombasa. Now, can you hear the birds? Eh? It's gone. So it was up there, but it's gone. But there's another one back there, up there. So in the city, that is in Nairobi, has not been easy, but that's why this is what made me change my mind to say, why can I try to do some videos and post? Because I hear the birds. So the thing that made me change my mind to doing videos is just changing my mindset, because I've been watching Marwa, been watching even the family, how people are doing videos. You can have a channel, after some time it's gone, you get monetized. So I just decided, why can't I change my mind? I have a different part of life, and the only thing I thought for, because I have been thinking about it, is to just have a channel. One day I say it's one day I will be in the village, I will be doing village vlogs, I will be doing gardening. That is my joy. If you can sit down with you and have some minutes, you will not, within 10 minutes I will be talking about gardening, everything about farming. So that is what I like most. I'm in the field of accounting, but me, I'm more to farming. Yes, this is what is in my mind on a daily basis. So it came out yesterday, it came to my mind about mindset, everything about mindset. But today also there's another point. Can see they are mating. Is it? They are mating. It's a very funny experience. This is the real nature. I'm waiting for them to do it again. Is Kimboy enjoying the birds? Birds are mating. Now they are relaxed. It's the nature. So I think they notice I'm filming, so that is why they have stopped. There are two. Is here. You can see it's here. Is one, then there is another one here. So there are two. Let me see. They are gone. They are gone. So one is remaining. Yeah. See ya. One is remaining. I don't know which one is male. I don't know which one is female. But I caught them enjoying. There are very huge trees here. So that is what's happening around here. So we'll not have a long video today. We just have a shorter one. So I've explained to you. Just came out to enjoy the sun, the nature. I can say so here is normally some taxis who normally park here along. You can see there are some cars. So this is what's happening around here. So I wanna say thank you up to that far. It will be a short video, and then I will see you in the next one tomorrow. Thank you and bye bye. Bye bye. They are now separated, the birds. So I will come tomorrow again to check on you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow, birds. I will show you tomorrow what's happening around. Thank you.